Animal rights. Do animals deserve rights? All animals, especially those that live with us, such as our dogs or cats, deserve to be treated with the same decency that we treat others with. They deserve the right to a warm, dry place to sleep. All creatures deserve some place where they can get out of the weather. Anything would work as long as they are being cared for. They deserve the right to attention. They need contact with other living beings to be able to function properly. It is an animal's right not to be confined or banished to a back room all day or outside all night. If this right is not accessible to them, they may turn vicious with the lack of socialization. They deserve the right to have food and water. All creatures need food to survive as well as fresh water every day. You cannot expect your pet to live long or well on just table scraps and stale water. The one most important is they deserve the right to receive medical care. They deserve, at the minimum, yearly checkups and vaccinations against diseases. This will help guarantee your pet a happier and healthier lifestyle. These rights may seem a bit ridiculous for some people, but they really require so little effort from you. For your pet, these things may mean the difference between a long, healthy life or a short and painful one. These things are the same as what we would do for other people, so why are pets any different? Animals deserve fair treatment and have the right to avoid unnecessary cruelty. Many argue that animals have no feeling, but this is false. What does animal rights stand for? They are rights believed to belong to animals to live free from use of medical research, hunting, and other services to humans. Human rights are natural rights. This issue of whether or not to grant animals rights such as those that humans retain is a greatly argued issue. Philosophers, clergymen, and politicians have argued the point of animal rights for years, but without success. Animal rights are an extremely complex issue that involves the question of animal intelligence, animal activist groups, and the pros and cons of granting animals their rights. Is it wrong? Many people think that animal research is morally wrong, but animal research should continue because it is critical to the continued progress in human health. The good is overlooked and the bad is exploited. Animal research is an integral part of today's society when thinking of how much progress we have gained in human health with the use of animal experimentation. Vaccines against polio, diphtheria, mumps, and smallpox would not have been possible without such experiments. Also, there would not be such important techniques such as open heart surgery, brain surgery, and organ transplants. The list just goes on and on about the medical advances that require animal research. Animal testing. Animal testing is one of the main reasons why animals deserve rights in the first place. The first argument against animal rights and animal testing questions the ethics of the practice in which millions of animals are harmed, if not killed, in the name of research. Another reason to consider animal testing unethical is the fact that these animals cannot give their consent, but instead of acknowledging that, we go to the extent of exploiting them for our own selfish gains. Endangerment or extinction. The current condition of many species of animals is very severe, and the extinction rate of animals is increasing with alarming speed. Justice. My judgment is the protection of animal rights. In order to achieve justice, the rights of animals must be protected as well as people. The United States Universal Declaration of Human Rights says that all men have a right not to be subjected to torture, so why not animals too?